Once again, you are welcome to Mahanadi Time Media Productions. Today we are in Gohalpada under the Talap Panchayat, and it is Gohalpada School, and there is a program going on, that is a COVID-19 awareness program conducted by Odisha Medical College and Homeopathy and Research Hospital Sambalpur. As you all know, this college earlier was continuing at Sambalpur, just near the Kachari, and it has been come to this Majipalli area before few years, and after that the hospitals and medical college both are continuing here. So let we talk with our Professor Dr. Sudhanshu Singh. He is also principal, and the other program officers who are organizing these programs. So, as you all know, friends, this particular COVID-19 awareness program is going on, and there is also NSS program, and including our professor, principal, Dr. Sudhanshu Shekhar Singh, and other program officers are also present there with their teaching faculties, and students are also there. So let me ask something about this particular programs. Why during this COVID period, this college think that there is need to organize such type of awareness programs in such a remote part of Sambalpur district. Sir, you are welcome to Mahanadi Time Media Production, sir. Please say why you think that this is the time to organize such type of awareness programs in such a remote part of Sambalpur.
Thanks to Mr. Sarangi. It is our adopted village.
Sir, you have adopted.
Adopted village.
Yeah.
Bualpalli, then Yogipalli, Jamadarpalli, the 7 helmet of the Talab GP we have adapted, and we have already given proposal to Sambalpur University NSS cell to conduct the winter special camp from 8 January to 14 January.
Yeah.
In this program, we have made a project about the corona awareness.
Yeah.
So by our volunteers, we are spreading our mission how to eradicate the corona virus from the public.
Yeah.
So no doubt it is a remote area of the towns. So no connection is here. Here we are staying here in this UP school, Savasram UP school, where no electricity, where no sanitation, but it is very haphazardly school is here. So it is very trouble for us, our volunteers also. So here we have.
But despite that, you are organizing this program here.
Yeah.
Well, sir, as you say that you have adopted this some villages. How many villages you have adopted?
We have 7 villages.
7 villages. And is this the first such college that they are adopting such type of village, or any other college of Odisha they have also adopted?
It is a process of NSS wings. Every NSS units have to adopt the village for 3 years or 5 years, like that.
Well,
So
sir,
in
this year you have adopted 7 villages. Apart from this health awareness, like COVID awareness, what other programs you are organizing, ma'am?
Free health camp and medicine distribution to all the villagers. We are providing the medicines for whatever complaint they may be. We check up the people and provide medicine.
No. You are. It is a medical college, okay, and you are a program officer
Yes.
of NSS, National Service Scheme. So apart from this medical service, because you are each and every day you are providing and rendering medical services, okay. Apart from that, what other programs you are doing in NSS? That's my questions.
Environmental sanitation, cleaning program, cleaning of the village atmosphere, and house-wise home survey. We are
Yeah.
doing home survey.
So, sir, one more thing, as you say that you are conducting survey. What type of survey you are conducting in such a remote village?
We are surveying the houses, every houses of these villages. We are first thing we are surveying the health status of the every individual of the particular house. And then after that, what are their education status, what are their economic status, all type of surveys are
Social status.
Well, you are conducting survey. Basically, you see in our countries there are many surveys each and every day conducting by different authorities, different department. Okay. After this survey, whether you are proposing some your authority like Sambalpur University or any other concerned department or authority for the follow-up, or you just conduct a survey and keep it in the file. What?
Yes, sir. We are also reporting. Last time, during the time of Azadi Ki Mahotsav Poshon Abhijan, we have surveyed the many villages or many houses of the different villages, and we also provided some food items to the needy persons along with the medicine kits. We also provided and also reported to the our CCH. Our center.
Well, today you are, as you say, you are conducting awareness program on COVID-19. That means you are visiting each and every houses. Okay, and you are also organizing and celebrating Azadi Ka Mahotsav, Amrit Mahotsav, and it has been organized by National Service Schemes, NSS teams. Okay, so you say in National Service Scheme, how many NSS volunteers you have engaged here?
Actually, in our college, there are two teams of NSS, Team 1 and Team 2, NSS Unit 1 and Unit 2. And for this special camp, now we are organizing the winter special camp. For this winter special camp, Unit 1 consists of 20 number of volunteers, and Unit 2 consists of 20 number of volunteers. So along with the teachers and program officers, we are coming here approximately 45 students.
Yeah. So this today there are 45 volunteers are there, including your staff and officers. Okay. Apart from this, what more program you have today?
Today we have visited the village survey. We have done the village survey. But now after afternoon, we have the awareness program. In the awareness program, we will play some one-act play and some drama, where we can some informative informations, awareness regarding the awareness of the villages regarding the health issue and the social issue like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao,
like
AIDS.
Okay.
This type of.
Okay, ma'am. How many family you have visited today? How many houses you have covered today in this village, in peripheral village?
Around 50 houses.
50 houses. So do you have find any problem there, medical related problems?
Yes.
What problems do you have find out there?
Rheumatic problem,
Yeah.
different types of fever, kidney problem, chronic kidney disease, paralytic problem, hemiplegia, paraplegia patients. Such types of many chronic cases we have found, and we have referred to the clinic, homeopathic clinic, where they have been treated.
Yeah.
And also we have advised them to go to our hospital for admission purpose.
Sir, as you resume as take charge as a principal of this college, sir, what programs in near future you are going to organize? It is very nice and excellent programs, and I think it's the first ever this type of program you are organizing in your leadership. So, sir, what programs in near future you are going to organize, sir?
We have already proposed to the government of India and also to the government of Odisha regarding the celebrating the year as the Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav. So our target to cover 100 schools of the district, 100 villages of this district, and we make a awareness program about Ayush, and also will provide the health checkup camp in our district with the coordination of our Nehru Yuva Kendra and district administration.
Well, sir, one more question which is not related to this. After assuming a charge as principal, what the basic problems you have in your college related to teaching and related to the student? What you have find out is?
In our college, have very shortage of teaching staff and non-teaching staff. Basically, there is no non-teaching staff. We have only out of 36 sanctioned posts, only 4 regular posts and 5 contractuals and 6 deputation and deployed staffs. So, but according to the norms of the National Commission of Homeopathy, we need minimum 24 numbers of regular teaching faculty.
Sir, we have got information that most of colleges which run inside our state and nearby the state, they are having no sufficient teaching staff. What's your reaction on it? We have, it is information available in the net also,
Obviously,
because the specialized principal, professors and specialists are not coming out. So what's your view on it? Whether it is fact?
Because myself, the part of government of Odisha, I have already proposed to the government regarding the status of education in homeopathic medical colleges of Odisha. So, if the government of Odisha will consider the proposal and make it implementation in every college, then Odisha will give the better service than the other state of the India.
Sir, last questions I have. Sir, would you have any plan that you started your own clinic in Sambalpur city? Because your hospital is continued there.
After my retirement from the services, then I'll continue my clinic, but I have no clinic now.
Can your college establish any clinic? Is there any provision that your college entitled to conduct or open a clinic in Sambalpur city?
We have a pattern with the district homeopathic medical
Hospital is going on there.
Sambalpur,
Yeah.
in Talaipada, the old college building of this institution, they are running a dispensary, and one doctor I am also deputed there with 2 house surgeons every day.
So that college is only there, and you don't have any provision to open clinic in other part of the Sambalpur cities.
No, we have till that it is not in proposal, but if anybody or any institution may invite us or may request us, we will provide a temporary health checkup clinic at their place.
Thank you very much, sir, for supporting us by giving some informations, and we wish you all the best. Thank you very much, sir.